Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder quality into OPPO A16s. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into special features option. Here find screen recording in the bottom. And here we got our screen recording option, so here middle block it's about our picture, and if we tap on our definition, here we can change our quality. For example, high, medium, low or custom quality. So I want a high quality, so choose this one and click back for save. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.